Welcome back to the GoEngineer YouTube channel. I'm Agustin Jimenez. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. In this SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks video, we will be looking at replace face. In order to achieve this curved face on this model, I have created this surface that gives me my desired shape. After this, I use two separate features to get my final result: a boss extrusion up to the surface, followed by a surface cut to remove the material that is above the surface feature. This same result can be achieved with a single feature, replace face. The replace face feature is a surfacing tool found on the surfacing tab. In the replace face command, we simply select the face we want replaced and the surface we want to replace it with. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below if you have a topic you would like us to cover in a future video. Visit our website GoEngineer.com for access to our personal training, upcoming events, and more from your #1 online technical resource. Bye for now.